We have 3 scenes set up for the players who are going to act as crime scene investigators to examine the scenes. They will be giving a briefing of what has happened, and then they will go into their scenes to try and identify items of forensic evidence. Once they've identified those items, they then need to link them to the suspects provided by DC Flanagan and hopefully identify who is the culprit in the Golden Boot trophy burglary.
CSI Simkin, defender.
CSI Gray, winger.
CSI Worsey, winger. So, what the hell, where do I start?
Let me look back at my 999 call. Car keys from the key box has been stolen. That looks like a key box to me.
Louanne will be talking a lot, but probably won't be doing much. Lily's kind of switched on, so she'll be getting on pretty well.
The windows are, oh, there's a crack in the window. Let me write that down. Where do I write it? Window cracked. Possible entry point, I think so. Footprint on the floor. It's a rather large footprint, could be a male.
Is that a window? Oh, smashed window! Window.
Fingerprint underneath as well.
Oh, they've really ransacked the place, haven't they?
Window. Blood.
But until we take it to the laboratory, we would call it potential blood.
Potential
so
blood.
Even
Just a normal footprint, kind of a slim foot, so could be a woman.
Oh. Okay, that says please. Oh, there's a tool that could have been used to break the window, I'm guessing. I think I'm cooking. I think I'm doing so good.
There's a screwdriver.
Okay.
That's sneaky, that. That is sneaky.
A screwdriver.
Okay.
Can we see the make of the shoe? That could be good. From this print, I'm guessing it's a Converse, and I know my Converse as well. So I'm going to say it's a size 11, potential size 11 Converse.
Oh, sandwich.
Excuse me, this is a crime scene. You're not allowed. I need to enter. I'm
not allowed yet.
I need to enter.
You can't.
I need to enter.
Why is she in my room now?
Oh, I remembered the one.
Gloves, skin, cells. This, whoever burgled this is very clumsy. Because if I burgled a room, I would take everything with me.
Lift things out.
Is that a possible? Oh, uh-oh. Fingerprints. Okay.
Point of entry looks like they've entered through the garden into the lounge. Dropped a hat by the looks of things. There's gloves that they've taken off. Exhibit number 1. I think I know who it might be.
Got blood, we've got the cat.
The window was smashed.
And essentially, with the evidence, it is just to spot the difference.
So we've got the hat, the blood, the gloves, the hair, screwdriver, fingerprint case.
Yeah, I'm saying Bev.
This is like the Scooby-Doo team.
I'm Beverly Bishop.
Right, so we're having an agreement of Bev.
Yeah.
You are right. It is Bev. She is a scorned woman, having been dropped in the submarine liner, jealous of Louise, just want to come in and steal her trophy.
8 minutes.
Oh Oh,
10 minutes.
11 minutes, 59 seconds.
It's not always about being fast, it's about being meticulous in your assessment. So, well, big congratulations to the players who completed the CSI Wolverhampton Challenge today, solving the mystery of the Golden Boot Trophy burglary. To find out more about our forensic science courses and crime scene investigation, please visit the University of Wolverhampton website and look at our forensic science courses.